Okay guys, it's sushi time. I got sushi hatsune for me and Ethan. He's gonna be home in like an hour, so I just did a big order. Okay, we got a 2-roll combo with toro and yellowtail jalapeno. Looks so good. I always have to get recently just 2 salmon nigiri because their nigiri is so fresh. Got salads, because everything comes with soup and salad, which we love. And then we got a 3-roll combo with spicy tuna, salmon avocado, and spicy crab. Okay. We're gonna start with the miso because I'm really looking forward to this right now. I'm watching You right now. I'm catching up on the last season and then I'm gonna start this current season. Their miso is really good. We're gonna bite the salad. I definitely will eat the whole salad, but I'll do it off camera to spare you guys because I know you want the main event. I love their salad. It's literally just lettuce, but the dressing is really good, I swear. So we'll do a little bite. We'll do a bitey. I think we have to start with the salmon. Oh my God. Insanely fresh. Oh. Okay. Now let's try toro. Looks so good. I want to say it's like slightly fishy. I'm very sensitive to when things are fishy. I'm a little crazy. All right. I think next we have to go for a spicy crab since that was a bit fishy. I like to dunk her. I'm not gonna try all of them. Let's end the mukbang with a yellowtail jalapeno. This is a classic fave for me. I'm gonna finish my soup and salad and have a few more pieces, but this is hitting. Like, this is exactly what I needed.